So we have a wallpaper which is supposed to crash any Android device. So we have a wallpaper which is supposed to crash any Android device. I have downloaded the wallpaper on my device, and this here is the Poco F1 running MIUI 11.0.8.0 based on Android 10. Here is the wallpaper which we are talking about. You can find the link to this wallpaper in the description of this video in case you are brave enough to try. And let's go ahead and give it a try and see what happens. So here it is. Wallpaper was applied successfully, no issues so far. Let us try rebooting our device. And as you can see, there's no effect on the Poco F1. Next up we have the Redmi K20 Pro, which is running MIUI 12, and this is the beta build from China 20.5.26. Let us open the gallery application, agree, and try setting this as our wallpaper, and then we can try rebooting our device. So here it is. The wallpaper was set successfully on the home screen and on the lock screen as well. Let us now try rebooting our device. So it seems to be working fine on the Redmi K20 Pro running MIUI 12. Next up, let us try this on my Pixel 2XL, which is running Android 10. The security patch is from March of 5th, 2020. So we can open the Styles and Wallpapers application and then go into My Photos. Here's the photograph which we are looking for. Set wallpaper, home and lock screen both. The wallpaper was set successfully, and you can see the effects. There it is. It is actually crashing the system UI. And let me see if I can restart my device and if the restart fixes it. And there it is. You can see that my UI is restarting and the phone right now is not usable. I cannot do anything. Pressing the power button does nothing. I mean, if I press and hold it, I can of course turn my device off. And as you can see, the reboot menu UI changed. This is proof enough that the system UI element is crashing, and somebody on Reddit did figure it out. What is the reason for this? And you can find that comment in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment.